All right, well, welcome to OLOP RV. I'm Jonathan,
I'm Curtis.
and today we're just going to show you just a little bit of the things that we are thinking about doing and planning. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And if you like or want to make comments, we greatly appreciate it.
We definitely
It
do.
helps a lot.
Definitely do. We are a conversion and travel channel, and so we are just excited to kind of show who we are with the logo, and we'll keep tweaking it up as we feel the need to. This is it.
So this is the plan for the back porch. We've had one build that we had grass on, one build that we had wood on, and this one we're trying to do a little homey looking or just different. And we saw this in one of the home stores and we both really liked it. We both said, you know, let's use this in this build. So
Yep.
this is going to be, we have to put a plywood decking on the bottom because this won't hold the weight. And then this will be on there as like a brick patio. And then this will also be cut to fit where you see the dark gray. So it'll be a brick facade on the back of the wall.
So when we open it up, it will look like a house, and I love that, the faux brick. I think that'll be cute. We will also use it underneath the cabinets in our kitchen area as well.
Backsplash.
The backsplash, yes.
So
right,
we're
well,
going to use this in a couple places.
Yeah.
So yeah, this will be on spring assist hinges. So it'll lift fairly easy and store up. So we've got it about the right height. It may not be exact, but it's going to be close. So this will lift up.
And then whenever it lifts up, it will hide the look on the outside, so it'll look like a business box.
So to just slide up just like this. We go up. It'll be like that.
Yep.
And it'll be a nice, a nice little step coming down. It'll look like this will be all white. The board we're using is FRP, fiberglass reinforced plywood. So it'll be on this. You'll see the supports, but other than that, it'll be just white. So we're about to take the air conditioner out. We know it works. We've got our neighbor who's going to attempt to divide it, and we're going to try to put this unit up under here, out of the way, and then that unit will be up over the dinette.
Yeah, I wanted to go more detail about the AC. It is a split. What is it called? Split unit.
Yeah, mini. It's a split unit. Yes.
Yeah, it's a mini split basically, but it's tied together. It's called the WEU.
Medea U.
Yeah, Medea U. And the back side is the compressor part, and the front side is the blower fan part,
Condenser.
and the condenser. And we're going to get somebody, or we're going to try to get somebody to split up the compressor and put it underneath the vehicle, and then have the condenser / blower AC inside. So we're hoping that we can do that. If not, you will find out. Well, just get another AC unit altogether. But we're going to try to use this one. It is a 12,000 BTU, so it'll definitely.
And it does a great job. We've been testing it, and it works really good, really easy on the batteries, and so our solar system and batteries will be able to handle it for days.
Yeah, we when we boondocked at the hospital with Mom, I think it was 2 days that we did. We only got down
3 days, 2 nights.
Yeah, 3 days, 2 nights. We got down to 79% using the AC and the refrigerator
and charging stuff and everything.
Yeah, and so we felt like that was we felt like it was a really good, because it kept us cool and everything. So we really liked it. It might have been a little louder than our other unit because you actually hear it. The other unit that we used to have on the bus, you did not hear it. But that is not a drawback for us.
It's quieter than any window unit I've ever seen.
Yes, you just, we're used to no sound, and this has a little sound, a little buzz, and that's it. So.
And then once this window unit is out, it first of all, we don't like it hanging outside of the bus, the box truck. But once this is out, our window for the dinette, so we have...
While you push that up, I'm gonna just kind of, so I can see what's going on with this.
So we have 3 foot of closet space, and that ends right about at this bolt rivets or whatever those are. And then this window goes, it's fairly high because you don't want people just looking in and be able to just walk right up. It's a sliding window.
Yep, it slides from side to side.
It's double pane. It's got the e-gas in it and everything, so it should be very efficient, and we like the look of it.
Yeah, we really did like the look, and we did put it a little higher, like you said. So if we are naked or something, we don't have to dress just to walk around. You won't see nothing. That's why we raised it just a hair bit.
Plus, you don't something low that somebody could break into. You want it
as high as possible.
High as possible.
Safety.
Yeah.
Oh. And the next thing we're going to work on pretty heavy this week is the solar. We're really going to try to maybe not finish the solar this week, but we're going to at least get started on it. And because we really do want some solar panels up here.
Yeah.
Because right now we are charging those batteries with the electricity, and as most people know that follow us, that's how our first rig burned down when we had a lightning storm.
And it was plugged in.
We have a fear of plugging into a house electrical.
Yeah.
So we are really trying to get solar because, the bus that we had, we never hooked up to any electricity or anything, and we strictly were on solar for 2 years, and that is rewarding in itself because it is free, so we are really going to work hard on that. So I'm sorry we had to switch cameras real fast.
Yes, ours overheated. Ours overheated.
Yep. So we just wanted to show you these lights right here. These lights, we have 4 around the box truck itself. And how much did they cost?
$400
per
light.
Light, $400. So that's $1,200 just for lights. So Curtis,
or 16 if you add 4.
I can't count. I'm from Mississippi, y'all. So $1,600 for just lights. So Curtis designed these, and I think they look fantastic.
Yep, they're LED, and those were halogen. Took heavy wire.
Yeah,
a lot of juice. These are LED. They take 3 watts.
And how much did your little LED ones cost?
So the fixture itself is $9, and the plastic behind it is $3. So we're about $12. So $50 for all 4.
Yeah,
a little different than 1600. So
yeah, 1600.
It may not be as bright. It may not be as perfect, but it's perfect for us.
We just wanted to fill the hole because that was a big hole behind that light. You would think it would just be a little circle. No, what you see right there, that hole, is what the hole is. So we just wanted to fill that hole, and I think it looks great. So we're going to do that to all of them. And Curtis figured out how to sand it down and.
Yeah, if it comes to saving money, that's an easy no-brainer for me.
So thank you so much for following us, and we do appreciate all your comments again. So please keep them coming.
Yes.
And don't forget to like,
subscribe,
share,
and hit that bell notification.
Oh my God, that was amazing.